Have you tried this pancake before? Oh my goodness, this is very simple, fluffy, and so soft. In fact, if you put it in your mouth, it would just melt like that. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to prepare a very simple pancake, as I said earlier. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have 5 eggs here. I'm just going to break everything, then we proceed. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate your time. So after I'm done, I'm just going to add 3 cups of whole milk. Then we continue. So I will add that. So the next ingredient we are going to add is 1/3 cup of sugar. You can add any sugar of your choice, okay? Then I have my nutmeg and banana extract, so that will be 1 tablespoon each that I'm going to add. If today is the first time here and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button for me? And I have my cinnamon here. So the cinnamon, I will add just a tablespoon, then 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then go ahead and mix it very well. Please, after subscribing to this channel, don't forget to hit on the bell icon that says all, so that when we upload new videos, you will be updated. Thank you very much. I'll go ahead and add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder. We are going to mix this very well, but I will play with it small so that I don't mess up the place, okay? Yes, so that is what you are seeing. The next thing I'm going to add is a tin of milk, okay? A tin of milk, and that is what I've added. I used pig milk. I actually love pig milk, okay, because it is not watery and it is very good. Yes, so this is how it is looking, and we are just going to start frying. But before that, we are just going to smear some oil in the pan and then go ahead and fry it. Please, you can add more sugar, okay? You can add more sugar, but I don't like a lot of sugar, okay? So after it is in the pan for some few minutes, I'm just going to flip it, and our pancake is ready. Just look at that, so beautiful. Let me show you something. See how soft it is. This was actually delicious. Yes, so I decided to bring it to you so that maybe you may try it, and if you try it, you will love it. So if you want it very pale like this, you just make sure the fire is very low, okay? Very, very low. And if you want it like this one, please, you increase the fire a bit. I mean this one, as you saw in the thumbnail. Then if you want it a bit brownish, then it should be on a medium heat. You are going to love that one as well. So thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Always remember that I love you. So I come your way next time. See you in the next video. Bye.